One wrong VLOOKUP can destroy your report. Excel mistakes, episode number 3. Imagine spending hours preparing an Excel report. Everything looks perfect until your boss finds out one huge mistake during the meeting. And the reason? One wrong VLOOKUP formula. Today, I'll show you how a small Excel mistake can create big office problems. So let's get started. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the series Excel Mistakes That Cost Jobs. Today's topic is one of the most common and dangerous Excel mistakes, wrong VLOOKUP usage. If you use Excel for work, interviews or reports, this video is just for you. So let's get started. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is one of the most popular Excel formulas. It helps you search for data in a table and return a matching value automatically. Well, in the last video, Avitas has commented to do the video in English language. So that's why on his request, I am making video in English language. Well, so let's get started. Today, the topic is usage of VLOOKUP in a wrong way. So, don't skip the video. Watch it carefully, so that you will get to know what's the mistake and how we have to resolve it. Suppose, now I'll show you an example. So that's why you'll get a clear idea about it. So don't skip the video. See the entire video. Then only you will get to know it. Right. In the A1, it is the employee ID. Employee ID in the A1 and employee name in the A2 and then employee salary in the A3. Now, so employee ID 101 and the name of the employee is Ravi and Ravi's salary is 25,000. Next, employee ID is 102 and employee name is Priya. And then her salary is 30,000, Priya's salary. Next, employee ID is 103 and employee name is Kiran and his salary is 28,000. Right? This is a employee table box, right? Keeping it a neat order, so that's why it will be clean to identify and it will look clearly. I'm just sorting it so that there should be no confusion in it. Whenever we are watching it, there should be no confusion or no clumsiness. So that's why I'm formatting it by adding some color to it and then keeping all the text in bold. Done. Now, suppose you want to find Priya's salary using her ID. So then what we have to use? We have to use VLOOKUP formula. Right? Now here I am using VLOOKUP formula. So please don't skip it. Watch it clearly and fully, then only you will get to know VLOOKUP is equals to VLOOKUP bracket open. So what is the employee ID? We have to know the Priya's salary by using her ID. Her ID number is 102. So is equals to VLOOKUP bracket open ID 102 comma A2 is to C4. Why A2 is to C4 means we are taking a range from A2 means from 101 to C4 means up to salary, right? We have to find Priya's salary by using her ID, right? Then we have to select the whole box. So that's why what the range we are selecting here from A2 to C4 and next comma 3 comma false. Actually, why we'll use false here means to get the exact match, we have to use false here. Then only we'll get the exact match. Otherwise, we'll not get the exact match. So, the formula is equals to VLOOKUP, bracket open, employee ID 1 or 2, comma, the ranging from A2 to C4, comma, 3, comma, false. Why we'll use false means to get the exact match. Done. Enter. See, 30,000. What is here? 30,000. So, by using Priya's salary, we found, by using Priya's salary ID, we found her salary, right? Now, the part 2 is the dangerous mistake. Now, here's the mistake many people make. Usually, so many people make a mistake here. What is that means? I'll show you. Instead of using false, they will use true. Instead of using false, they'll use true. And not only that, they'll use true here. And not only that, if the table is not formatted properly, then also whenever we use the formula, and if we not keep the exact formula there properly, if we not mention the formula properly, then also the mistake appears clearly. And here, if we done, if we are not formatted the table, then also we'll get the error. See, what's the mistake? The dangerous mistake happened here is, in the VLOOKUP formula, in the place of false, if we use true, instead of using false, they accidentally use true. Then what happens? We'll get the error. See, we got 25,000, but here's Priya's salary is 28,000. Right? We got the wrong answer. Actually, Priya's salary is 30,000. Before I have shown you, right? In the table, the Priya's salary is 30,000, but here we got 25,000. Why? Because when the table is not sorted properly. If the table is not sorted properly, Excel may return the wrong result, like what we got now. That means wrong salary, wrong employee data, wrong reports. So, we got the mistake. So, we got the salary as 25,000, but we have to get 30,000. Imagine real office situation. Imagine this happening in a real life, real office. An HR employee prepares a salary report using VLOOKUP, but the formula gives the wrong salary for an employee. During the meeting, the employee says, "This is not my salary." Now the entire team starts questioning the report. One small formula mistake can damage trust, accuracy, professional image. So, how do professionals avoid this mistake? Simple. Always use false for exact match. We have to use false for exact match, then only we'll get the correct answer. Also remember, check your table range, verify returned values, double check reports before sending. And here's another smart AI trick. Here's a smart modern trick. Use ChatGPT. You can ask, why is my VLOOKUP giving the wrong result? AI can quickly explain the issue and help fix the formula. In the future, smart professionals will use both Excel and AI together. In interviews, you can say something like this. It is just an interview tip. I know how to use VLOOKUP with exact match using false. That sounds much more professional to HR. So, today's lesson is simple. One wrong VLOOKUP can create huge problems. Always verify formulas. Use false for exact matches. Small Excel mistakes can affect your professional image. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more Excel mistakes, AI tips and interview tricks. And in the next episode, we'll talk about hidden rows mistakes. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.